Yeah, so today we discuss this topic. Is the operation subtraction commutative for integers? So this is the question. See, what does it mean? We have to check whether subtraction is commutative for integers or not. Only for integers, not any other things. Okay. The first, so we'll discuss this in detail. First, the basic thing you should know this, that is set of integers. So this you should know. I will write it here. See, dot 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 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0. So 1 2 3 etc etc etc. Dot dot dot. That means numbers will continue till infinity, and this side also I put dot dot dot. So numbers will continue till minus infinity. Okay. So this is set of integers. So for this integer we have to check whether subtraction is commutative or not. Okay. I will in this video I will take more and more examples, and I will try to make you understand. First, to commutative means, first I will write the rule. So this rule you should know, right? Okay. See, commutative, when I say commutative property for addition, this is the rule. A plus B is equal to B plus A, where A and B are any integers. So if you take any integers for A and B, then if A plus B is equal to B plus A, that is commutative property for integers under addition. But we have to check whether subtraction is commutative or not. Subtraction means instead of plus we have to put minus. Okay, so I will just change plus to minus. Minus minus. Okay, so this is the property, that is, this is the rule that we have to check. See, if see, I've just written something here, right? So it doesn't mean A minus B is equal to B minus A for integers. It doesn't mean like that. But what we are doing, we are going to check whether A minus B is equal to B minus A or not. Okay. In case if A minus B is equal to B minus A, that means this is commutative. So subtraction is commutative for integers. Okay, when A minus B is equal to B minus A. So we have to check whether this is true or not. After checking only we can come to conclusion whether that is subtraction is commutative or not. Okay, so we will check. So we will take one example. Okay, we will take some examples for A I will take number 5. In place of A I am taking number 5. So this minus minus same. In place of B I am going to take minus 3. So B is equal to minus 3. Okay. So 5 is an integer, and this is present in this set of integers. Minus 3 is also integer. This minus 3 is present in this set of integers. So 5 and minus 3 are the integers I have taken. So for A I have taken 5, for B I have taken minus 3. So now we have to check whether this is equal to A minus B is equal to B minus A or not. So substitute for A 5 minus minus same, for B minus 3. Now is equal to next. For B I have taken minus 3. Write it here in place of B minus 3. This minus is fixed. Okay. For A I have taken 5. Write 5. Now we have to check this. So 5, right, as it is. We have to simplify this side and this side. Okay. See, your bracket is there. The bracket means it's like multiplication into. So minus into minus is plus. Okay. And this 3 write as it is. Now is equal to, okay. Next year. So this is not multiplication. There is no any into symbol or bracket here. So there is no multiplication. So either we have to decide whether we have to add 3 and 5 or we have to subtract based on the signs. So based on the signs, so before the number 3 we have minus, before the 5 we have minus. So based on the signs we have to decide whether we have to add the number 3 and 5 or we have to subtract. How to decide? First take this minus into this minus. So is equal to minus into minus plus. Plus means addition. That means we have to add the numbers. So add the numbers 5 and 3. So when we add 5 plus 3, 5 and 3, when we add 5 and 3, what we will get? 8 will get. So 8. Okay. Now which sign we have to put? Consider the bigger number. Which is bigger number, 5 or 3? 5 is the bigger number when compared with the 3. So the sign in front of the bigger number 5 is minus. So this minus you write, keep it here. Okay. Next this side 5 plus 3 is 8 is equal to minus 8. Now you can see here, this is 8, this is minus 8. So 8 is different, minus 8 is different, correct? So 8 and minus cannot be same, they are different, they cannot be equal. But they are saying equal, here equal sign is there. So this equation is saying 8 is equal to minus 8. Is that correct? No, right? 8 cannot be equal to minus 8. 8 is different, minus 8 is different. So that means this statement is there, no? So 8 is equal to minus 8. It is wrong. It is not correct. It is not true. So I will write not true. Correct. So since this is not true, so what does it means? This is also not true. I will write here. So now we just verified that, verified by taking examples or numbers for A and B. We just verified this is not true because we got this wrong statement. Since this is not true, even this is also not true. Not true or wrong or not correct, not right, all are same. Okay. So this is not true. That means this statement is not true. That means this is wrong. So when A minus B is equal to B minus C is wrong for integers A and B, so what does it mean? That means subtraction. Okay. Subtraction is not commutative for integers. Okay. So I will write it here. So final conclusion, subtraction is not, okay, not commutative for integers. Okay.
Okay.
So we proved subtraction is not commutative for integer because A minus B is equal to B minus A is wrong. It is not correct for A and B. The A and B are integers. So what was the question? Is the operation subtraction commutative for integers? No, it is not commutative. See, this is the answer. First you have to write no. No, comma, no, subtraction is not commutative for integers. Okay. Yeah. So just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. So I will take more examples and I will explain you. English and
ఫుల్ తీసాను
ఎంత చెప్పేకేలా ఇంకా పొత్తు రికార్డ్ చేస్తా ఇవిడేమే పోలా
లేదు అవ్వండి
ఈ ఒక వీడియో ఏదానికి ఇడే ఉంటావా అట్టే
అట్లేం లేదు
కిర్లిచ్చేది కలకుండా కెమెరా షేక్ అవుతుంది
లాస్ట్లో నేను మాట్లాడతాను లాస్ట్లో నేను మాట్లాడతాను
యా just 1 minute break I will take. Okay, I will give more and more examples and we will verify. Okay,
లాస్ట్లో నేను చెప్తాను
ఒక మినిట్ బ్రేక్ అని చెప్పిండు అన్న ఒకే ఒక నిమిషం ఇప్పుడు లేస్తే ఒక నిమిషం అయినా
అందులో 25 ఇంకా కాలేజ్ అంతా స్టార్ట్ అయింది 25 ఇంకా కాలేజ్ అంతా స్టార్ట్ అయింది నువ్వు పొద్దు రిలీజ్ చేసి
అట్లా కాదు అది ఏమో ప్లాన్ ఉందిలే దానికి
ఇప్పుడు 2 వీడియోలు చేయను
వీడియో ఆన్లో ఉంది మాట్లాడదు
కాలేజ్
పోలా
లేదు మామిడి ఇప్పుడు మూవీలోకి వేసి వస్తా
పోలని చెప్పిపోతుందా
లేదు తెలిసి కొడతారేనమ్మన్నా
లాస్ట్లో
ఇది ఒకటే నచ్చినది ఎఫెక్ట్ అంతా నేను గుర్తించింది అలా ఏమన్నా ఇది ఒకటే నచ్చినది
Okay, now I will take more examples and I will verify. Okay, we'll check more with more examples.
నా 20 సెకండ్లు ఇంకా చెప్తాను
ఇంకా okay. See, to decide, to check whether subtraction is commutative for integers or not, so you have to use this only. You have to use this statement or this equation. So, and you have to take different numbers for a and b, and you have to check whether this side is equal to this or not. Based on that, you can come to conclusion whether the subtraction is commutative or not. Okay. Cool. Now I will for a I will take 0. Okay, so in place of a I will take 0. So 0 also an integer, so 0 is present here. See, next this minus fixed. In place of b I will take a 2 I will take. Okay, for b I have taken 2, so this equal sign. So for b I took 2, so in place of b put 2 minus fixed a. For a I took 0, write 0 here. See, 0 minus 2 is minus 2 is equal to, okay, 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay, so you can see here 2 is different, minus 2 is different, correct? But this equation is saying minus 2 is equal to 2. That is not correct, right? That is wrong. 2 cannot be equal to minus 2. 2 is different, minus 2 is different. So this statement minus 2 is equal to 2 is there, no? So this is wrong. This is not correct. Okay, this is not right, or I will say not true. Okay, so since this is not true, so a minus b is equal to b minus a is also not true. Not true, or I can say a minus b is not equal to b minus a. I can write like this also, not equal to b minus a. Okay, so this is a minus b is minus 2, b minus a is 2. So a minus b is not equal to b minus a. But this is saying a minus b is equal to b minus a. So that means what? That means subtraction is not commutative. It is not commutative for integers. చెప్పిపోతావా వీడియోలా?
చెప్పు.
చెప్తా ఏం లేదు, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అని చెప్పినావు అంతే. నేను లేయమంటాను, అవి లే. ఓకే, subscribe. Okay, okay, so this all. I will take one more example. For a, I will take 3 minus fixed. For b, I will take 1. So is equal to, so b, for b I took 1, so 1 write it here. In place of b, 1 write. Minus fixed a. In place of a, I took 3, so in place of a, you write 3. Okay. Now see, 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Is equal to, you write. So 1 minus 3 is what? That is minus 2. See? 2 is different, minus 2 is different. So 2 cannot be equal to minus 2. But this is saying 2 is equal to minus 2. That means this is wrong. So since this is wrong, so this is also not correct, not true. So when this is not correct, that means wrong. So that means subtraction is not commutative for integers. Okay, like that. Yeah, so I will take one more example. Wait, so for a, I will take 10. So minus, for b, I will take 4. So is equal to, so b, in place of b, I have taken 4. So for b, you put 4. Next minus a, in place of a, I took 10, write 10 here. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Is equal to, so 4 minus 10 is minus 6. See, we got 6 and minus 6. So 6 is different, minus 6 is different. So 6 cannot be equal to minus 6. But this statement is saying 6 is equal to minus 6. So this is wrong. Since this is wrong, so this will become wrong. So when this is wrong, for numbers 10 and 4, so that means subtraction is not commutative for integer. Okay, so I hope you understood. Thank you for watching the video. And my brother just want to ask you. Okay, he want to request you. Okay, come man, say
Subscribe.
He's requesting you to subscribe on behalf of me. Okay, thank you. Subscribe.